All right, well, I'm burning some other stuff. Just give you a little quick peek of the property. We're burning over there. We also burning over there. But we also have a branch that needs to come down. It's also a pretty ugly one. You probably can't see it. But the reason why it's important to bring these branches down is because if I'm walking under here for some other reason, any reason, it's a possibility that they can come and hurt you. So we have one there that needs to come down, and we also have one over there. So let's get cracking with my little tool. My little tool that I have, that I've made up. Let me just fix this camera so that you'll be able to see properly. Lock it in place. Okay. I hope the smoke doesn't affect you too much. All right, so we have this branch here that we're gonna bring this down first. Let's start with that one. Okay. Oops. One of the biggest difficulties being in the forest with all the vines growing around. You can easily fall and hurt yourself. So let's see. I'm going with my makeshift tool. It's just the rope and the sock. So let's see how it works. This is a very dangerous job. Got to hold one end of the sock. Go up. Ah. Nope. It's not always easy. There it goes, another one. Ah. All right, come here. Sometimes it's good to go overhand. Ah. That times it's better to use the momentum. Ah, there you go. Okay, now this is the dangerous part. Okay. And there you have it. It's down. So you can imagine what would have happened if you happened to be coming in the forest to take a tour, and all of a sudden you look up in the sky to see the beautiful trees, and what do you get? A beautiful branch coming down on top of your head. Well, we can't have that happen for our next tour. Mind you, it's never happened already, but to be safe is better than to be sorry. So we still have that one. We have this one here also. That also is another dangerous one there that needs to come down. And it's easy to come down because they're all dead. And while mahogany is a very, very strong tree, it will stay there for a few years. But it's time to get it down because the bad wind, then that one branch right there, oh, actually I'm pointing the wrong branch. This branch right here. Yeah, right here. That one there has to come down. So let's try it.